Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and power source. Plug the Infinix Hot 10 into the original 18W/20W charger with a good USB-C cable. This matters because the phone negotiates current with the charger. Once done, reduce background drain, enable airplane mode or close apps, and lower screen brightness to under 50% so more current goes to the battery. Make sure the charging port is clean, and avoid charging while gaming, since high load slows charging speed. Next, optimize the phone during the charging session to keep speed high. Turn on battery saver or restrict background data so the system allows higher charging current. This prevents OS-caused slowdowns. Use a direct wall outlet. USB ports on PCs often provide weaker current. Once charging, place the phone on a cool, flat surface to avoid heat. Thermal throttling reduces charging speed. If a case traps heat, remove it. That helps the battery accept charge faster and extends battery health. Finally, bring the battery up efficiently and safely. Aim to stop charging around 80 to 90% for daily use. This balances speed with longevity. If charging seems unusually slow, try swapping to another original charger and a certified cable to isolate accessory faults. If problems persist, restart the phone and inspect the USB-C port. Dust or bent pins cause poor contact. One key troubleshooting tip: test charging current with a USB power meter to confirm the charger is delivering the expected watts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.